So I'm going to be giving you guys 5 different tips to help you fix getting green messages on your iPhone 14. Now, if you're tired of your messages appearing in green and want to start sending messages as iMessages, there are several steps you can take to fix the issue. Now, the first thing you need to do is check if iMessage is actually enabled on your iPhone. And if you ran an update recently, maybe this toggled to off on that update. It does happen. So the first thing you need to do is just go into your settings, and then you want to scroll down to messages, and then you need to toggle on the switch next to iMessage. And this is going to ensure that all future messages you send will be sent as iMessages. Okay, the second thing you want to do is check if the recipient's phone supports iMessage. Now, if the recipient's phone does not support iMessage, your message will be sent as an SMS instead. So check if the recipient's phone supports iMessage. You can look for the blue bubble next to their name in the Messages app. And if their bubble is green, it means that they're not using an Apple device or that their iMessage is turned off. So ask them to turn it on. Okay, the third thing you could do is turn off send as SMS option. Now, I'm also holding this up to the camera so you guys can see this close, but if iMessage is enabled on your iPhone and the recipient's phone supports iMessage, but your messages are still appearing in green, you could actually try turning off this send as SMS option. Now, this option ensures that your messages are sent as SMS when iMessage is not available. So to turn this option, go to the settings, messages again, and then you want to toggle off the switch next to send as SMS. Pretty easy. Okay, so the fourth thing is to ensure you have a stable internet connection. Another reason why your messages may be appearing in green is you have a poor internet connection. So if your iPhone is not connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data, your messages will be sent as an SMS. So make sure that you have a stable internet connection by connecting to a Wi-Fi network or ensuring that your cellular data is turned on. Another thing you do is just try restarting your iPhone real quick. Okay, last thing you could do is contact your carrier. So if none of the above steps have worked, I hope they did, but you can always contact your carrier because some carriers block iMessage on their network, which can result in your messages being sent as an SMS. So contact your carrier and then ask them to enable the iMessage on their network. Okay, anyways, I hope one of these tips helped you guys out with this issue. I'd also like to point out you can get on our tech newsletter where we send out 1 email a week on only the good stuff directly below in the description. As always, thanks for watching this, guys, and we'll see you all in the next video.